Hello guys, how's it going? Today I've got a great video for you on how to increase your organic sales, and for some customers double the amount of units they're going to purchase organically. It's not going to cost you any money to do this, it's not going to cost you any money to advertise this, but you can double the amount of sales you get for some customers by using this trick. That's also going to make you stand out from the competition, draw people into your listing, and then potentially double the sales they make while they are on your page. So this is a really good one for when you launch your product, trying to rank your product, just getting more sales overall with every customer potentially, and hopefully is really going to increase your rank and just help you rank better. So I'm just going to get straight into this video. Right, so for the life of me, I couldn't find someone who's doing this on Amazon. I spent a long time doing it and eventually just got pissed off of it, so I searched on Google, and this is basically what I'm talking about. And it's this little thing here, this promotional message that's shown when you go into your listing. So when a customer clicks on your listing and goes into it, it shows this little promotional message button, and this one says save £6 when you purchase one or more of whatever this product was. I don't even know what it is, and that's basically what it does. So what we're going to do is we can set a promotional message so that when they buy one and they buy a second one, they can get a percentage off the second one or both the units they purchase. And what this is going to do is it's going to hopefully potentially double the amount of units they buy. So instead of buying one, if you've got an offer there for a 50% discount on the second one they buy, then they're more likely to buy two, so you're getting more out of the same customer. So if you're running PPC or doing giveaways or just something like that, the money that you're putting in to get that customer onto your listing can potentially make that customer double in their value towards you by them purchasing two instead of one, by offering them this extra promotion. This extra promotional message here, the little button, that also shows when you're scrolling through the listings. So if someone is going through your listing under the price just in the main search, this promotional message will still show, and it really stands out and makes people want to click on your listing because they see promotion. Everyone likes to sell, everyone likes money off, everyone likes to save, so they're going to click on your listing as well because of that. Just because it draws people in, it's attention grabber, it's a big yellow button, and people are just more enticed towards it. So not only is it going to hopefully increase your sales, it's going to increase your click-through ratio, and it's going to also help your conversion rate. All things I've talked about before, about ranking and your listing and things like that, which is all going to help greatly. The way that we set these promotional messages is we go into our Seller Central. I've basically just gone on to inventory and manage promotions, and it's taking me to this page here even. And what you want to do is you want to go to money off. There's three sections here. You've got free delivery, but if we're doing FBA, if we're doing Prime, then this isn't really a factor to us. We can do money off, or we can do the buy one get one free. I don't normally like to do that one. You can do that one. You might have more success with that one even, definitely getting 2 sales from every customer that joins. Just literally doubling the amount of sales you get, and of course you can only imagine how much that's going to help your ranking. So if we just go on to the one that we're talking about in this video, the money off section, we get brought to this page here where we can make our promotion and just set it live. It's such a simple process. So what we want to do first is we want to go to at least this quantity of items. So at the minute it's set at 1, but like I was talking about before, we want them to go onto a listing, see there's a promotion for if they get another one they'll get 20% off, or however many you want to do. I normally set this number here to 2, because they're probably not going to buy 5, 6 of your product just to get 20% off. But if you set another one, you might get one for a family member, a friend, they might think of someone else. So if you buy 2, you're going to get 50% off, then they're much more likely to do it. So I'll set that quantity to 2, and then we can go down to the percentage off. We can do a percentage or a amount in pounds off. I normally just select the percentage off offer, and I'll do around 20%. It depends how much you want to experiment with this. So the next section we have is the purchased item section, and this is basically saying that the promotion that you're offering just applies to the items they're purchasing, or if you want you can add an additional item. So if you had an additional product or just something like that you wanted to add on to this promotion, you could do it. We're not really going to do that in this video. Then you've got some advanced options which we're not really going to worry about here either. For the scheduling dates, this isn't very important. I would just normally set this to just really far in the future, and then when I'm done with it I can just cancel it before it actually runs out. You've got the 2 names here, the internal description and the tracking ID. These aren't actually shown to the customer, so it doesn't necessarily matter. So we move on to the additional options. In here, this is more like for coupons. So if you're going to run a giveaway on JumpSend, or if you're just trying to give away free units to get reviews, then you would have coupons where you could do single use and things like that. But this isn't a coupon. We want this to be shown to everyone. So we select none. Then we have something we do want to change. So the standard text is going to be showing our promotion here is this line here, which is what Amazon would show. We want to go to the customized text and we want to put in our own thing. So we could select 20%, I don't know, super deal to really try and draw people in, and just select that, press review, and that is basically our promotion done. We will have to select the purchase items here, but if I select that, it's going to show my product. Not going to do it. So that is how you set these promotion guides. Hopefully it will increase your organic sales greatly, and it's a really good option to just get more sales in general without really having to put in much more work or spend a whole bunch of money. So I hope you've enjoyed this video about how to increase your organic sales quite easily. It only takes a couple of minutes. So that ends it for this video. If you've enjoyed this tactic to increase your organic sales, please let me know in the comment section below. Please give the video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. I will see you all in the next video.